Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making pecans and honey pork chops. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We're going to start out by thinly slicing some washed green onions and setting those aside. Next, we have some boneless pork chops, and we're going to cut a couple of slices into the fat so they don't curl up in the pan. You've been there, right? We're going to prep some other ingredients, some quality butter, and we're going to use some vegetable oil. Some kosher salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, pecans, some honey. We're adding our oil and butter to a pan over medium heat. Also, we added salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper, and the pork chops to a Ziploc bag with all-purpose flour. We gave that a shake and we patted off the excess flour. So now we're going to stir this butter up and we're going to let it get hot. Now we're going to add our pork chops to the butter and the oil. We're going to brown them on both sides and make sure they're cooked all the way through. This is what we're looking for, a nice crispy golden crust and cooked all the way. This whole thing is my oven glove. It looks a mess, but that's a good thing. Proves there's a boss in the kitchen. I have small hands. When it's on, I still feel like I have control, even though it's a big glove. One size fits small, medium, large hands. Anyway, these guys look great and they're done. We're going to remove them from the pan and set them aside and keep them warm. We're going to remove half of the oil left in the pan. We return the pan to the stove. The honey goes in. Good. Stir well and start loosening up the bits on the bottom of the pan. That's real flavor there. These tasty bits are called fine in cooking terms and are left after you've browned up protein or even vegetables in the pan. The fine also makes it easier to clean a pan if used to punch up sauces. Fine is why you hate doing dishes though. The trick is, if you're not going to use the fine for a sauce, just stir in some water and loosen the bits right after you remove your food, and clean up is a breeze. Yo, you can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Next in is our pecans. Good. I bought these already chopped to save time. And half the green onions. Just cook and stir for a couple of minutes. Now spoon our delicious sauce right over the top of our pork chops, just like so. sprinkle over the rest of our green onions, and look lovingly down at our beautiful work. I enjoy these lovely pecan and honey pork chops with some green beans. Subscribe for more, my friends. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.